Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a hug because it's National Hug Day. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, something to draw with, I'm using a black marker that you can change for pencil. Let's start in the middle of the paper and I'm gonna do a letter U for the face of the boy. So let's start on the left side, I'm gonna go down to the right, doing this wide letter U. There. Now I'm gonna do the hair around in the inside first. So first thing I'm gonna do a curve that goes up, and now I'm gonna do here another curve, kind of like a letter U, and then another one wider, and these ones are not the same size. You see? There are three curves. Now let's go up, and now let's go around. This time I'm gonna do upside down letter U's, and these are also different sizes. This is the last one and we're gonna close right here. Now the eyes is gonna be two letter U's, upside down letter U's. He's looking happy and this is gonna help us with that. And here I'm gonna do a big smile and the eyebrows are gonna be pointing up a little bit to help the happiness. Okay, let's continue with the head of the girl. I'm gonna do a curve from this point of the head of the boy going down, and I'm gonna stop right here. Then I'm going to do the cheeks of the girl, and this is going to be just a little tiny line here, diagonal line, and I'm going to join this with a curved line that is going to touch the face of the boy. So I'm just going to go curve and touch right there. Now let's do the hair. I'm going to do a curve up and I'm just stop and going down a little and do another curve. The eyes are going to be the same of the boy. They're going to go upside down letter U's to show happiness. We're going to do the nose as a letter C and a smile. And now I'm gonna do the nose on the boy because I almost forgot. Okay, now let's do the eyebrows on the girl, two little lines. And I'm gonna do here teeny tiny lashes, just two lines in each side of the eyes. Here I'm gonna do kind of like a ponytail, so I'm just gonna do a square and then I'm gonna do three little letter U's together for the hair. Let's continue with the arm of the boy. So this comes around the girl. So I'm just gonna go do a curve right there. Another line here underneath the chin of the girl. And I'm gonna cross a line here. You see how it crosses up and down? And let's close this one, touching the face of the boy. And now here I'm gonna touch also, but curving up. There. Now let's do a little tiny curve underneath the arm, and that's it. Here, I want to do another curve for the girl's arm that goes underneath the boy's. Perfect. The dress is going to come down here, so let's go curve to the left, and now we're going to go back, but first we're going to do the t-shirt of the boy, and this is just kind of like a square or like rectangle shape. And now we can close the dress. There. Let's continue here with the shorts. We're gonna go down and do a square and then another one. In the feet or the legs, we're just gonna go two lines for each leg. And now I'm gonna do the shoes curving and closing down here. Curve and close. Now let's do the girls. Here's two lines in each side. And the shoes are gonna be the same idea as a curve and a line, a curve and a line. And now I'm gonna extend my lines because I was short here for a little bit. There, that's it. And that's it. We've finished. I hope you like this lesson. I hope you can share this draw, sharing the love for somebody with a hug, at least in a paper. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. Here I add some hearts just to make it look more cute. And remember, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.